welcome or welcome back to my channel if you are new. In today's video, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm barefaced, I'm naked, she has nothing on here. That's because I'm gonna do my makeup and do like a little get ready, what's on my mind, just speak to y'all from the heart while I do my makeup, and also show you guys my makeup routine. I'm getting ready to go on a picnic with my friends, so I want to give girly, super pink, I don't really know. Well, I do know, but like, I don't really know. If you guys like this video, if you guys like these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. You know, all the fun things. But without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I have all my makeup in this really ugly bag. First product I use is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizing Hydrating Primer. So I'm just going to put on primer and I'm gonna let it dry. First thing I'm going to do is take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange because I have really bad under eyes. I don't know what to talk about. Like, what do y'all want to talk about? I'm so confused on how to do things like this because, like, obviously I've never done this before. I'm really excited. I hope my friend feels better. She just texted us that she's sick or she doesn't feel good. So I'm like, you better feel good in the next hour or so that I go pick you up because we're going on this picnic. I haven't hung out with them in such a long time. Our work schedules just like never like coordinate, and then this one girl, she's still in high school. Like, girl, we love her, we gotta pick her up from school, like we're her mothers, but we love that. I like to blend it out with my fingers, and then I like to take the LA Girl Peach Corrector and then put it in the same area, that inner corner, and then I like to just bring it down here to the outer. This is what I like to use. Like, this is my little routine to get those bright under eyes. I literally have the worst dark under eye circles in the world. I don't know how long it takes me to do my makeup. I really wish I could play music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Next, I use the e.l.f. Hydrating, am I gonna be a YouTuber? Concealer, and I just put that on the inner corners of my eyes. Literally my favorite concealer in the world. And then I just bring it up like so. And then I also take the Rare Beauty concealer. I don't really like this one, but I bought it, so I have to use it one way or another. And then I just fill that in like so. Hella heavy in the concealer, but for the Rare Beauty, I just like to bring it down onto my face to cover any blemishes or anything I may have. Next, we're gonna blend. Okay, and then one more step, just because I'm extra, I like to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Corrector and Concealer, and I just put it under my eyes. So next, I like to use the Milan Make It Last Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray her face. Next, I'm gonna use the Derma Blend Setting Powder in the shade Warm Saffron. Just going to lightly glide the powder under my eye. I use this contour from Shein. It's actually really good. And I'm just gonna use it to contour the temples of my cheeks. I got a big ass forehead. And we're gonna blend. I feel like this is a lot more boring than I thought it was gonna be, but I have like literally nothing to talk about. So actually, yeah, let's talk about it. Let's talk about school right now. So if you guys do or do not know, I'm studying fashion merchandising. I'm taking this statistic class where the teacher is like really testing my patience every day of my life, and I feel like she's doing it on purpose, but like I know she's not, and it's really pissing me off. I just don't like her. I don't like her personality. She's so rude to me. Like, if I would ask her a question, she will not answer that damn question. And I'm like, is there a purpose for this rudeness? Like, you are being so rude, and for what? Next, blush. I use cream blush. I'm gonna use this one again from Shein. Next, I'm gonna just spray it down. Now that my eyes are all dry and set, I'm going to take my bronzer. This is the Too Faced bronzer. I'm just going to put it all over my eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my NARS Orgasm blush. A little bit of pink onto my eyelid. Do I really know what I'm doing when it comes to my eyeshadow? No. Just know it looks good. Why is Victoria calling me? She's gonna have to wait until I finish this eye look. Next, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to take this little Bomb Ass and Lolly, and then I'm just going to blend that into my eyeballs. And then I'm going to take my highlighter, and I'm just going to put some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyeball. Put some on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose. Next, we're gonna spray our face. I do a lot of spraying. So you guys, I finished my makeup. I don't hate it. I think it looks really good. It wasn't really the vibe I was going for, but I do like the eyes. I think the eyes are super cute. I did do my eyebrows and mascara off camera, but I'm just gonna put on some lashes and do my lip. I use the sadly discontinued lip liner by Marc Jacobs. This is my favorite, in this shade Slow Burn. I just line my lips and I overline my little Cupid's bow. She looks super cute. And then I use the Fenty Heat Gloss, literally my favorite lipstick, in the shade Fussy Hussy. So that is my makeup. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below if you want to see more lifestyles or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next whenever I see you guys with another video. Bye.